babes, it's Sav, and welcome back to Sav's Reality. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into some honesty. You know me, I'm always moving somewhere, somehow. You never know. So right now, I am in the middle process of moving from my dorm to my apartment, and that has included me moving into my fiance's mom's house until my apartment's ready to move into, and that won't be until August. So with that being said, I don't really have a place to film, so I would like to introduce you to Monica, my car. That is where I'm gonna get to film until I get situated in my apartment in August. So anyways, I have a super special surprise for you today. You know me, I love doing unboxings, and I have a new one for you today. So let's go ahead and jump right into that. So if you don't know, I am recently engaged and I am getting married in August. And so I found a marriage bridal subscription service called Miss to Miss. It's like Mrs. to Miss, but that's too complicated. So I'm just going to say Miss to Miss, and they decided to collab with me, and they sent me this box that I am going to unbox for y'all guys. I am so excited. This was on my doorstep yesterday whenever I was leaving for work. So I was heartbroken for the past 24 hours because I had to go to work and I couldn't open this box. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to open this box. I brought skizzers. Just kidding. We're going to use our hands. Oh, sorry, Monica. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Is this not to die for? So cute. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh my goodness, it is so huge, and my car is so not. We're gonna move the sun thing. We're gonna open it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like whenever you open it, and it has this card right on top. It says Wedding Day Essentials. Your wedding planning journey will be filled with many needs and wants, but we have assembled a few essentials that every bride must have, and it lists everything that's there. So that's awesome because I definitely know what it is. And it tells you the theme for the next month. So it says next month box theme is Stop Pamper Time. So I don't think they're sending me that one. So I'll definitely have to see how much this costs. Okay, so now that we've moved that off the top, I'm just going to go ahead and rip right into this. This is super duper duper cute. And this is what everything looks like all piled in there. So I'm just going to leave the box down here since I don't have a lot of space and pull stuff out one at a time. So the first thing I'm seeing is wedding alcohol calculator. It tells you how much average glasses are per bottle, the percentage of each type of alcohol in bottles, and how much you would need for however many guests you have. And so that's really cool, but actually I don't drink, and so there actually won't be alcohol at my wedding. The venue doesn't allow alcohol, but for those who do have an open bar at their wedding, this is definitely something that would be great for that. So the next thing that I'm pulling out says Wedding Day, Who Does What? And it says the maid of honor's responsibilities, the best man's responsibilities, the bridesmaids and the groomsmen, the parents, and then the flower girl and the ring bearer. And it just kind of lays out their bottom line jobs. Hey, here's what's expected of you. Thank you for sharing my big day with me. And so that's also something just really cool to lay out and have there. So I really am appreciative of that. Okay, so I am so excited that I'm actually just not going to look anymore because I didn't read the paper that had everything, and I'm just going to grab it from right here. So the first thing is a small box. Ooh, it says, I couldn't tie the knot without you, Miss to Miss. Okay, so how does this describe it? Essential gift earrings. This pair of earrings will make a perfect thank you to your maid of honor, mom, or anyone else who really deserves an extra thank you. Guys, these are gorgeous. Oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. Do you see this? So here's the problem. I have 3 moms and 6 bridesmaid and no maid of honor. They're all equals. I really love that. That we're all just happy, no one's above you. Let's try not to have any fights here. But guys, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness, guys, just look at those again. Those are so cute. Okay, so if I'm ever anybody's maid of honor, these, please, 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 these. Okay, so the next thing I'm feeling is this. It says Miss to Miss Vows. Is this a notebook? It has 2 notebooks. Okay, so what is this? Vow books. These vow books are the perfect way to remember the vows given on your special day. Okay, so me and Cody haven't necessarily decided what we're gonna do. I think we're leaning towards writing our own vows, but saying them privately. to each other before, after, every day. That's a little excessive. Okay, Savannah, chill. But either way, this is something really nice. Like, you could just, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. And it's small that, like, I could just keep it as a keepsake or put it in a scrapbook. Guys, this is cute. Okay, so reaching and grabbing the next thing. Are they shoes? Hold on. Hold up. What is this? I'm grabbing this again. Dancing flats. After an 8-hour day, dancing in high heels is going to be a problem. Not to worry. Change into these foldable flats and dance the night away with your girls. Okay, so I've actually been considering this because we all know I am not going to be dancing in these heels for very long, okay? It's not going to happen. So I'm going to open these and show what these are. They say US large 8 to 9. Oh my goodness, yes. They sent me my size. What? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so you just take this bow off. And I'll just undo one. So this is what the flats look like. So my dress is long. I feel like this would be ideal for a long dress. If you have a short dress, I don't know that I would really recommend these. They are cute, but I feel like they could be distracting in pictures, and that's something that's super important to me, is the pictures from the wedding. That's probably like the one thing I'm really splurging on, spending-wise. But these could really work for me because my plan was to go buy a pair of boots, and that cost $300. And this isn't costing me anything, so that's definitely a plan right there. Okay, so I'm gonna reach in and grab the next thing. Oh, there's so much. Okay, I'm gonna grab this. Oh, is that an owl? Okay, so this, it says it is a silk sleeping mask. Let's see, what does this have to say about it? It says 100% silk sleeping mask. A good night rest is essential. The sleeping mask is made with 100% mulberry silk on the front, back, and even the strap, and will ensure your eyes get the Z's they need. Ooh. Ooh. Guys, okay, so this is cute. It looks like an owl to me. Watch it not be an owl, and then someone's like, Savannah, you suck. Well, you know what? You're right. But anyways, so I think I might wear this like the night before. You think that might be cute? I don't know if I'll leave it on. I kind of move in my sleep. Sorry. But this is definitely cute. Okay, so I guess filming in my car in Oklahoma in some super hot weather, I don't even know how hot it is, was not good for my phone because that's actually what I'm filming on right now, and it overheated. So if you hear any more noise, that is my car on now because with the air conditioner, so that my phone doesn't like deteriorate. But anyways, so it did stop in the middle of this next item, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that for you. What it is it is the Miss to Miss garters. Let's see how it describes it. It says garters set with one garter to toss at the reception and one to keep as a memory of your wedding day. This is one thing that my mother-in-law was talking to me about, like, do you want this? And I hadn't decided, but you know what? Now I have it, so I guess so. Okay, so I'm gonna reach in and grab the last thing. There are two things left. There's a big one and a small one. Big one or small one? Big one or we're gonna go small. Save the biggest for last? I don't know. Okay, so this is tiny. It's in this cute little sack. Let's open it. Okay, so what it is it's like these silicone things. Okay, so what does this say this is? Heel protectors. Okay. These will be lifesavers if your wedding is outdoor or you'll be taking few outdoor photos. Slip them on at the end of your high heel shoes and they will prevent you from sinking in the grass or sand. Boy, my wedding is outdoors. Yes, let's go, Miss to Miss. Oh my goodness. Yes, preach. I've actually never seen these. These are genius. Yeah, no, I wish I had these for prom. I wish I had these for literally almost every event I was ever at. So, go me. Okay, so last, but I hope not least, there's one more thing. Okay, it is this. That's actually kind of funny. And what does it say? I don't want to like unroll it. It says temporary card decal. It says many brides are so focused on their reception decor that they forget about their exit. True. This beautiful just married card decal will make any getaway vehicle more stylish. Our getaway vehicle is Cody's Chevy Silverado. So, I mean, I guess it's like not necessarily luxurious, but like at least it's not like a bike. And so I think I'm not gonna ask. I think I am gonna put this on his back windshield for when we leave. I think this is so cute. Oh my goodness. What if it just stayed forever? I know it says temporary, but like, oh, it'd be so cute. It'd be so cute. okay. Anyways, that is all that was in the box. I'm sorry if there's some shakiness. I have my phone balancing on my steering wheel and I can tell that it's shaking, so I apologize for that. We only have till August. That's it. We can do it. I believe in us. But anyways, thank you so much, and thank you for the Mrs. to Miss box. For this box, I'm gonna close it again because this box is so cute. I really think I'm gonna use this box to like store stuff for the wedding, like Cody's ring and then this stuff. But guys, this is so cute. So again, definitely if you're getting married, or better yet, if you know someone who's getting married and you don't want to give them the typical gift, definitely go to Mrs. to Miss. You can get 1 month subscription, 3 month. I think they have all kinds of different setups. See, I'm getting married in 3 months, so it wouldn't make sense for me to get the 6 month subscription because a lot of it's going to say like bride to be, and I will have been the bride that was. So, but definitely I think this would be a very unique gift. I think I might be doing this for some of my friends that are engaged or will be engaged. I'm just, it is so cute. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Follow them on Instagram. I will go ahead and put that like right here somewhere. Give myself some options. It'll be somewhere down there. Follow them on Instagram. Definitely subscribe to their subscription. And oh my goodness, I'm recommending this so hard. This is so cute, and this is like a good little box. Like I can actually use this. But anyways, again, thank you so much to the Mrs. to Miss box. I love it so much, and I will be using all of these things in my wedding prep, in my wedding itself. And I am so thankful that there is a subscription service like this out there. So thank y'all again so much. Thank you for bearing with me and Monica. My God, she's so cute. Thank you for bearing with us for the next like 3 months until I can get situated. But guys, once I do get situated, it's gonna be great. I have some really cute ideas in store for a setup for y'all, and I'm so excited to get back into business. But thank you so much. I love y'all so much. I don't think y'all get it. I love y'all so much. Bye, babes.